In this short tutorial, I will show you how to rename a video on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. Renaming a video can help you keep your media library organized and make it easier to find specific videos. To get started, open up the Photos app on your iPhone and then find and tap on the video that you want to rename. After that, tap on the Share button at the bottom left corner of the screen. And then bring this up. What you want to do next is tap where it says, Save to Files. Now you have the ability to rename the video. To do that, tap over here and enter the new video name. Browse and select where you want to save this video. All you have to do next is tap Save at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can open up the Files app and find the renamed video. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.